How the hell y'all doing? Clint from the Doorway 2, doing one of those reviews you love. Today is Friday, April 1st, 2022. It is April Fool's Day. This is not a joke. It's a badass band from Chicago. It's a three-piece on, I think it's MNRK Heavy. They used to be E1 Heavy. Maybe it's MNRK Heavy now. I don't know how you say it. The band is called Misfire. The album is called Sympathy for the Ignorant. It is on cassette, CD, and digital from what I'm looking at. Looks like there's some vinyl as well. Again, three-piece out of Chicago, Illinois. It is classic, extreme, groovin' thrash metal. Love this goddamn band. If you like Bay Area and 90s German thrash, early 2000 German thrash, you are going to love Misfire. Again, came out today on MNRK Heavy. And it is 10 songs long. We are going to listen to the first song by this three-piece off of Sympathy for the Ignorant. It is called Fractured. So if you mix Death Angel, Exciter, and Sodom together to me, with a lot of destruction in the vocals to me, that's what you get with Misfire. This is their first proper record. They have 2 EPs out before this, but this is the first proper album that they put out. Again, Sympathy for the Ignorant came out today on MNRK Heavy. Want to thank my friends over at Earsplit PR for getting this to me, because this is a kick-ass thrash record. Let's listen to another song. We're going to jump down to track number 5. It is called Death Trap.
From you missed it. Don't think it won't be different. 1 second for the next is the difference between life and death. Another chance for this time to slip through your fingers. We're living in a death trail. Don't think for just nothing. We're living in a death trail. Expecting the unexpected will give you life.
Do you guys remember a band called Law's Rocket? It gives me that vibe too. And then there was a band in Philly called Faith or Fear, and they have the same kind of grooves that Faith or Fear had. This is heavy groove infected extreme thrash. I love it, man. There's Dark Angel moments as well too, but I really hear Faith or Fear and Law's Rocket in a lot of this as well too. Let's listen to another track off of Misfire-Sympathy for the Ignorant. This is going to be track number 8. It's called He Said, She Said. That one definitely had Anthrax elements in it too. You gotta love modern thrash metal bands that are not from the 90s that like emulate that sound so much. It's got those heavy grooves, it's got those crushing bass lines, it's got those like I don't know, soaring guitars that you want in a good thrash metal record, and those throaty, screechy vocals that are just they're tearing you apart, man. And the drums are just that constant, bombastic, frantic pace. Let's listen to one more song off of Misfire. Their album is called Sympathy for the Ignorant. Came out today on CD, digital, LP, and cassette through MNRK Heavy. We are going to listen to the title track because you know I love to listen to title tracks of records. It is track number 10. It's called Sympathy for the Ignorant. Here we go. just really don't want to stop. This record kicks so much fucking ass. The last band I'm going to kind of bring it all into is, I don't know if you guys remember them, but they were from the New Orleans area. They were called Exhorter. Reminds me a hell of a lot of that, man. Kyle's voice early on has this very similar style. Exhorter always reminded me of a thrash metal band playing Pantera covers. Like, that's always what it reminded me of, and I know Exhorter was around long before, but that's what it just reminds me of. Anyway, band's called Misfire. Album's called Sympathy for the Ignorant. Came out today on CD, digital, LP, and cassette. We will leave links to their Bandcamp and social media so you can get in touch with them. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe to the Doorway 2 magazine's YouTube and Instagram TV pages. And until next time, my name is Clint. I'm from the Doorway 2, and I will see you.